One of the reasons why you might be having a hard time finding your history when you're in the develop module is most likely because you're on the wrong file. So if you'll notice, I go to my history right here and there is no history. It says edited in Adobe Photoshop on the day and the time. But I have two images right here that are identical. So remember what I mentioned that that Lightroom Classic and Photoshop talk to each other, and you might have two identical files here. But if you need to look closer, you'll notice over here under the file name, this is sunflower.psd, and this is the reason why I don't have any history. Whereas this file, when I click on it, is my actual digital negative. It'll say the image number .dng or possibly NEF. And now when I click on that file and I move up in my history, you'll see this is all the different things that I've done from my import date on September 5th to present right now. So this is the screenshot that you want to take for this assignment, not the PSD file, which will also be in Lightroom Classic. So make sure you're paying attention to which file you are selecting for doing the before and after image. And you'll see here's my before and after as my digital negative, whereas this is my before and after in Photoshop. And that's a very different file and very minimal changes. So you want the digital negative one where you see the before and after. This is the screenshot you want for this assignment.